Welcome to the Sleeperz Hotel in Dundee. It is a very unusual looking building from the outside, as it is curved with a glass arch in the middle. The hotel is situated directly above Dundee Railway Station. The hotel opened in 2018 and has a total of 120 bedrooms. It was part of the Dundee waterfront regeneration project. The fire on the TV screen is a nice touch. The bar and restaurant area looks very modern and stylish. The corridors leading to the rooms go round in a curve to follow the shape of the building. This is very unique and something I have never seen before inside a hotel. I stayed in one of their queen double rooms. Here we have a small basic desk with a bright red chair. We have a good sized TV, nicely lined up with the bed. I personally like the lights underneath the bed and how they reflect off the wooden floor. We have power sockets and a glass shelf at each side of the bed. We have two bright bedside lamps, ideal for some late night reading in bed. The room facilities are basic, but it is classed as a higher end budget hotel chain. The room is quite small, but there is enough space to be able to move around. Between the bed and the bathroom, you have a bright yellow wardrobe with a small safe at the bottom. The bathroom is very small, but it is also very practical as well. Two sets of clean towels are provided just underneath the sink. We have a powerful rainfall shower. The bathroom overall looks very clean and well looked after. Sleeperz is a fairly small hotel chain compared to other hotel chains in the UK. Their other hotels can be found in the cities of Newcastle and Cardiff. The hotel is only a 3-minute walk from Dundee city centre. There is no parking on site, but there is a pay and display car park across the road from the hotel. You can also get a 25% discount at the nearby Green Market multi-storey car park. Across the road from the hotel, you have the RRS Discovery, which is an old steamship. You also have the V&A Dundee, which is a design museum. I paid a total of £36 for my one-night stay here, which I think is great value for money. I booked through agoda.com because they gave me the best deal. However, if you become a Sleeperz Select member, then you can save 15% on direct bookings. What do you think of the hotel? Would you stay here? What hotel should I stay at next? Leave your comments down below. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe if you want to see more of my travel adventures. It is totally free to do so. If you would like to support my channel, you can find a link to my donation page down below in the video description.